these types of images which you are seeing on the screen, which is made by the totally AI. Yeah guys, really using the prompt I made these types of the images using the AI in the free of cost. So in this video I will show you that where you can find these types of the links, and where you can get the prompt, and where you can get the images. Everything I will show you in this video. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's explore about this image generating AI tools. I have divided the process of image generation into the 7 steps. So we will see one by one steps. Okay, so our first step is that consider a particular subject for image generator. So guys, we have to consider a particular subject that on which type of topic we are going to make an images. Okay, so our second step is that go in Google, select the image. Okay, and our third step is that pull out that image into the ChatGPT, and our fourth step is that give a prompt to the ChatGPT and make the prompt of these images or the changes. Okay, I will show you. If you're not understanding, let it be, I will show you with the hands-on experience that how we can make it. Okay, so our fifth step is that select proper prompt and move to the Leonardo AI, and our sixth step is sign up and log in into the Leonardo AI, and the seventh is hit image generator in the Leonardo AI and paste the prompt, and simply you can see the types of the images which you have to generate. Okay, so I hope you have taken the screenshot that you can get it easily after watching this video. Okay, so I have to inform you that in this video we are using the 3 technologies as so. First one is Leonardo AI, and second one is about the ChatGPT, and third one is about the Google. Okay, so we are using these 3 AI tools which are of course free in cost, you can see, and I will provide this all types of link at the end of the video. I will tell you that where you can see these types of link, and let's explore the AI tool. Okay, so first of all we have to come to the google.com, and here you have to select a particular image, and as like you can see our first step was about the selecting the subject. Okay, I have selected the subject as elephant images. Okay, I want to generate an image like this. Okay, so simply I will move to the ChatGPT. If you are using for the first time, just sign up into the AI. Okay, in the ChatGPT. Okay, just I will move to the ChatGPT and I will give here prompt as, and simply I have given a prompt as make a prompt of image generator for AI. Okay, so basically what I have did that simply I have pull out this image into the ChatGPT, and here I have given a simple prompt that make a prompt for image generator AI. Okay, it has given a proper prompt, and just simply I will copy this prompt, and I have copied the prompt, and just you have to move to the Leonardo AI. Here you can see the website, and I will put out this all links into the bio, you can check out, and simply you can see this type of interface. And if you are using for the first time, just you have to sign up here also, and just hit to the image creation button, and just hit to the image creation button, and here you can see type a prompt. Okay, just here you can see this text as type a prompt, and here simply you have to paste the prompt which we have selected here. Okay, and hit on the generate 4 button, and you can see the images guys. Here they are loading, and boom guys, here you can see on the screen the type of the images which the made by the Leonardo AI, of course in the free of cost guys. Here you can see the difference between the image which I have given and I got the output guys. This is an amazing mind-blowing experience by me guys, really guys. So this is an amazing output guys. Here you can see, and just you have to download this image as by clicking the download image button, and here you can see the image is ready in front of us guys. And here you can see guys that the output is mind-blowing. So guys, in this video we have shown that how to generate the images using the AI. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys with the next topic.